So this is the room. That is Ayush and that is Anvika. We just reached Pondicherry and this is the room. This is as pretty as it is. This feels so special. Yeah.
Now that's one big way.
This is apparently during this lockdown phase, not too many people are coming.
What is that?
So, what is what? Ayush, you're coming online. So this is called the retreat. Retreat, and it is so soothing. And there's this little garden down.
Oh my!
Ayush, do you like this place?
Are you kidding me? It's amazing.
Yeah, Ayush had come here when I was expecting Ayush. So this is as beautiful as it is. It's called the retreat, and I am so happy to be here. So it's already a 1-minute video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.